Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make green chili pickle with mustard. First, gather your fresh ingredients, ensuring your green chilies are firm and vibrant. You will need about 250 grams of green chilies, 50 grams of mustard seeds, and 2 tablespoons of salt. Also, have 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 cup of mustard oil, and the juice of 4 lemons ready. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a delicious, tangy pickle. Proper preparation is key for a great pickle. Begin by washing your green chilies thoroughly and patting them completely dry. Any moisture can spoil the pickle. Next, cut the chilies into small half-inch pieces, discarding the stems. Now, take your mustard seeds and coarsely grind them. Finally, heat your mustard oil until it reaches its smoking point, then set it aside to cool completely. This step is crucial for the oil's flavor and preservative qualities. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a clean, dry glass jar, combine your chopped green chilies, coarsely ground mustard seeds, salt, and turmeric powder. Give it a good mix. Next, pour in the completely cooled mustard oil and the fresh lemon juice. Stir everything thoroughly to ensure all ingredients are well combined. Seal the jar tightly and let it rest at room temperature for 2 to 3 days, shaking it gently once a day to distribute the flavors. After a few days, your green chili mustard pickle will be ready to enjoy. For optimal freshness and longevity, transfer it to an airtight glass jar and store it in the refrigerator. Remember, always use a clean, dry spoon when serving to prevent any moisture from spoiling your delicious creation. This pickle pairs wonderfully with many meals, adding a spicy and tangy kick. For more great deals and to find that book, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your homemade pickle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.